Hi, I am Dr. Tarun Preet. I am working as Head of Emergency Department in Holy Spirit Hospital, Mumbai. Today we are going to talk about stroke or paralysis or lakwa. Stroke is brain attack और paralysis या जिसे आप आम लैंग्वेज में लकवा कहते हैं. The way you get heart attack, it is attack in the brain. It occurs because of reduced blood supply to a part of brain. Depending on that, it can be ischemic stroke, hemorrhagic stroke, or transient ischemic attack. So, if there is a clot in one of the blood vessels supplying to a part of brain, it can be ischemic stroke. 87% of the patients who are suffering from stroke have ischemic stroke. Second is hemorrhagic stroke, wherein one of the blood vessels which is supplying to a part of brain ruptures, and because of that there is reduced blood supply to that part of brain leading to stroke. Third is transient ischemic attack, wherein the patient gets stroke symptoms transiently and recovers from these symptoms on his own within 1 to 2 hours. So this is kind of minor stroke. The patients who are getting minor stroke can get a major stroke in next 72 hours. तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको स्ट्रोक हुआ है या आपके परिवार में किसी को स्ट्रोक हुआ है या पैरालिसिस हुआ है? कोई भी जो चीज आपको एबनॉर्मल लग रही है, देर इज डिजीनेस, देर इज लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, सडनली एबनॉर्मल बिहेवियर, सडनली फिट्स, सडनली एनी स्पीच डिस्टर्बेंस, इट कैन बी स्ट्रोक. तो इसको याद कैसे रखें, कैसे पता चलेगा? सिंपल शॉर्ट फॉर्म इज बी फास्ट. सो बी मीन्स बैलेंस. अगर चलने में बैलेंस जा रहा है, इट कैन बी स्ट्रोक. ई मीन्स आई मतलब आंख के रिलेटेड आपको कुछ भी इश्यू आ रहा है, सडनली देखने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आधे हिस्से में दिख नहीं रहा है, धुंधला दिख रहा है, काला दिख रहा है, एक का दो दिख रहा है, इट कैन बी स्ट्रोक. देन इज एफ मीन्स फेशियल डेविएशन. फेस टेढ़ा हो रहा है, फेस का आधा हिस्सा आपको नंब लग रहा है, आधे हिस्से में कमजोरी लग रही है, इट कैन बी स्ट्रोक. देन इज ए आर्म वीकनेस. आपकी बाजू, एक बाजू आपको वीक लग रही है, दूसरी बाजू ठीक है, एक बाजू वीक लग रही है, इट कैन बी स्ट्रोक. देन इज एस मीन्स स्पीच डिस्टर्बेंस. अगर आपको बोलने में परेशानी हो रही है, समझने में परेशानी हो रही है, जब आप बोल रहे हैं तो आपको लग रहा है आपकी जबान लड़खड़ा रही है, इट कैन बी स्ट्रोक. देन इज टी मीन्स टाइम टू एक्ट. अगर इनमें से कोई भी सिम्टम्स हैं, देन इट इज द राइट टाइम टू एक्ट. You have to act fast. Whenever you experience any of these symptoms, stroke symptoms, paralysis के कोई भी symptoms आ रहे हैं आपको या आपके परिवार में किसी को, immediately nearest emergency department में पहुंचिए. Rush to the hospital immediately. If you don't have any convenience to reach the hospital, call the ambulance. They will take you to the nearest hospital so that you can be treated well in time. Why time is so important in stroke? See, stroke, 87% of the patients who are having stroke symptoms have ischemic stroke, and ischemic stroke is treatable within first 4.5 hours of the onset of the symptoms. पहले 4.5 घंटे में अगर आपको इस्कीमिक स्ट्रोक है तो हम आपको क्लॉट बर्स्टिंग इंजेक्शन दे सकते हैं, जिससे आपके सिम्टम्स रिवर्स हो सकते हैं. एंड फॉर एवरी 15 minutes lost, every 15 minutes delay in giving that clot bursting injection delays your recovery by 1 month. That is how important the time is. Here I will give you one example. We had one patient who was 62 years old male who had right sided weakness and was brought to us on the second day of symptoms. So by that time he had already lost the 4.5 hours, the treatable, the window, golden window period. And when we did his brain scan, it was ischemic stroke. It was a treatable stroke. if he had come to us within time. So we started him on maintenance medications, but his recovery was very prolonged. He is still dependent on his family for his day-to-day activities. He's not able to walk on his own. He needs some aid to walk. He needs somebody to help him for his routine activities. Then there was another patient who was of same age group, 68 years old female, who had right-sided weakness. She came to us within half an hour of the onset of symptoms. We did her brain scan. It was ischemic stroke. We gave her clot busting injection. Her symptoms were reversed. Within second to third day, she recovered from the paralysis, and the residual weakness recovered within next 1 month, and she is back to her normal activities. She is very much independent for her routine activities, for her day-to-day activities. She can do her basic work on her own. That is how important the time is. यू आर द फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर टू स्ट्रोक. आपको स्ट्रोक को पहचानना है. बी फास्ट. स्ट्रोक को पहचान के हमारे पास टाइम पे पहुंचना है. आप हमारे पास टाइम पे पहुंचेंगे तो हम आपका अच्छे से इलाज कर पाएंगे. प्लीज रिमेंबर, फॉर एवरी 15 minutes lost there is delay in recovery for 1 month. So please be fast. We at Holy Spirit Hospital wish you health, and this is our health and awareness program. Thank you.